Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing certain ministries in Thailand being shocked by foreigners working illegally. I'll get to the article I'm going to cite here in a minute. When I first read this, I kept thinking of the scene in Casablanca where the French prefect is talking to Rick, the guy played by Humphrey Bogart, and he's shutting down his cafe, and Rick walks up to him because they've been friends for years and know each other, and he says, "Wait, what are you doing? What's the big idea here?" And he says, "I'm shocked that there's gambling on these premises." And this was sort of a known open secret in that. And the reason I thought of that is because I don't think it's entirely shocking to the ministries that there might be foreigners working illegally in Thailand, because that's part of their mandate. That's their remit, to deal with foreigners working illegally in Thailand. So I don't know how shocked they would be, but again, I'll cite that. I want to make this citation, but I just got to think, I'm shocked, I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. That's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Foreigners Working Without a Permit in Thailand Face Crackdown," quoting directly. And I'm going to quote a small excerpt. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article for more detail, quoting directly. "The business and employment ministries appear shocked after discovering that thousands of foreigners are involved in illegal employment in Thai resorts such as Phuket, Chiang Mai, and Pattaya in a variety of occupations, including taxi drivers, tour operators, and real estate agents." As noted in another video, barbers and hairdressers, hairstylists also seem to be something that's really up on the radar, raising red flags amongst folks who are charged with enforcing Thai employment law. As we've discussed in prior videos, foreigners are restricted from acting as real estate agents generally, by the way, and taxi drivers, tour operators as well are restricted occupations. And I've gone into great lengths and gone into great depth on the restricted occupations here in Thailand. I'm not going to go back through that again. I do know this is a topic that makes foreign nationals living in Thailand pretty uneasy, and I understand why. And I'm not making these videos to try to, I don't know, I've been accused of trying to, put people on the spot about this issue or something. That's not my point. It's worth noting, if you're a foreign expat that lives here, when heightened scrutiny is placed on foreign workers, it affects pretty much everybody. But that said, it is worth noting, and for folks that are here in Thailand, sort of new folks here in Thailand, sort of trying to make their way and work here, you got to understand, the restrictions on foreign labor are pretty stringent, and you do not have an unfettered right to work in Thailand. That is a privilege, if you will, of Thai citizenship, and something that locals only, in certain cases, can engage in. So the thing to take away from this video is, one, understand there are restricted occupations, and you need to try to ascertain whether or not what you want to do in terms of employment activity here in Thailand is in violation of those restrictions. Furthermore, if you're not, then you need to, even if it's not a violation of the restricted occupations, you still need to get a work permit anyway in order to work and do business here in the Kingdom of Thailand.